Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Today almost everything you do, your photos, charts, documents, passwords, business data, even medical records is stored somewhere in the cloud. Whether you are using Google Drive, AWS, Azure, OneDrive, iCloud, Dropbox, Canva, Zoom or Gmail backups, you are living inside the cloud without even realizing it. But the real question is, who protects this cloud? Who ensures your personal, confidential or business data isn't hacked, leaked or misused? That is exactly where ISO 27017, the global standard for cloud security, becomes your silent protector. This video will explain why every cloud user, not just businesses, must care about ISO 27017. Now, first of all, let's discuss what is ISO 27017. ISO 27017 is a globally accepted guideline specifically designed to secure cloud environments. It is built on ISO 27001 but adds additional controls designed only for cloud security. It is not software or a tool. It is a best practice rulebook that guides cloud providers and cloud users on how to manage cloud risk, shared responsibilities, data protection, access control, and secure configurations. Now, why cloud needs a special security standard? Cloud security is very different from traditional IT security. In the cloud, your data is stored on servers you do not own, operated by people you do not know, in locations you never visit, and accessed from devices you sometimes cannot control. Because of this unique risk environment, the world needed a separate, dedicated standard, and that standard is ISO 27017. Now have a look on the real-life incidents that could have been prevented. There have been countless cases where cloud mismanagement caused huge damage. Celebrity photos leaked due to poor access control, startups collapsing after hackers stole their cloud databases, hospitals losing patient data because cloud storage was left open to the public, and companies facing millions in losses due to incorrectly configured cloud buckets. Most of these incidents could have been prevented if ISO 27017 controls were followed. Now here is a simple story to explain ISO 27017. Imagine two shopkeepers. One uses a simple lock while the other uses a smart lock, CCTV, alarms, a guard, and daily inspection logs. Which shop is safer? The second one, obviously. That is exactly the difference between a normal cloud provider and an ISO 27017 compliant cloud provider. One is hopeful, the other is truly secure. Now let's discuss the benefits for everyday cloud users. ISO 27017 makes the cloud safer for every user. It gives better privacy, reduces hacking risk, prevents accidental data exposure, ensures reliable backups, builds trust, promotes transparency, and shields your personal information. Even if you are not a tech expert, ISO 27017 gives peace of mind that your online life is protected. Now, benefits for businesses and startups. Businesses benefit even more. ISO 27017 increases customer trust, supports compliance with data protection laws, reduces risk of breaches, improves investor confidence, supports secure cloud migration, strengthens governance, and boosts the company's professional security posture. For startups especially, ISO 27017 can become a competitive edge. Now here is a final message for you all. The cloud belongs to you. Your cloud is your digital home. It stores your memories, your ideas, your work, and sometimes even your identity. ISO 27017 is the invisible guardian protecting this digital home. You may not see it working, but its control ensures your data remains safe from hacks, leaks, and misuse. Understanding ISO 27017 empowers every cloud user to make smarter decisions. Now you know why ISO 27017 is not just a technical topic, but a standard that impacts every single cloud user. If you value your privacy, your photos, your businesses, or your digital identity, ISO 27017 matters to you. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more cloud security content. And I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.